recognize that you don't have all the facts, and that's you're probably going to be more respected instead of going around and acting like you got it all figured.
Just a little video. I got a response from Wranglerstar. Funny, I bear false witness against him because I made a comment on a video that he was a hack. He is a hack. That is my opinion. I did not bear false witness against him. I would not lie in court against him. I would tell the truth. But the simple fact is, he is a hack. The things that he does are not practical. Some of them aren't even ethical. Yet he claims to be so self-righteous that it is unreal. But if you notice what I put up there, I thanked him for stopping by and let him know that I did not bear false witness against him, because I did not lie about anything he has done. I just simply stated that I thought he was a hack, and that was my opinion. And that is not bearing false witness to have an opinion. He needs to study his Bible a little bit closely and learn the difference between an opinion and false witness. False witness means to tell a lie. Calling someone a hack is not telling a lie. Thank you, Wranglerstar. I appreciate you stopping by. And I wish you the best in the future. And I wish your family the best. Although you are the king of the YouTube homesteading channels, I still will not follow you or watch your videos because you are a hack. Have a nice day.